Yesterday, I put up a story on my IG asking producers to put in loops in my Discord because today I want to be flipping subscribers loops and I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to make beats. While doing so, if you want to get into the next video, be sure to follow my Instagram at Chuki Beats with a Z. Join the Discord to the link in the description down below. As always, if you want to get drum kits, sample packs, everything like that, go to secret.audio to the link in the description down below. Go get it! Yeah, that's fucking true. Yeah. First producer is Finn.wave. He's I don't know where he's from. I'm following. He's got 500 followers. That's made at 1,000 followers. That would be crazy. I'll go follow Finn.wave because he's got crazy loops. I've used his loops before, and that's my nigga Austin Khan. The loop is fire as fuck. What I'm doing right now is just like listening for what kind of sections there are in the loop, and then I just cut it up and make sure that I know which part is gonna be intro, hook, verse, whatever. So I'm gonna listen for that right now. So I feel like this is gonna be like the intro plus first part of the verse part. So that's gonna be here. So we've got a 12-bar verse and a 4-bar hook. I'm gonna EQ the loop though because there's some bass in it. Gonna automate the EQ. I'm thinking of a special bounce, but I gotta try it first. It's like a drill hybrid. It's not really drill, but it's almost that. Yeah, like that. So this way we stay in the regular trap rhythm, but there's this, I don't know, this little special thing that makes this beat this beat. Yeah, see now, so now the bounce makes sense. I always try to make sure that, for example, this hi-hat and the 808, the bounce needs to be, they need to think about each other. Now I'm just trying to like fill in the gaps. So there was this obvious gap at this point here. So I filled it up with the snare here, and then on the second part I let the clap do that. It's like the same accent right here, but here's the clap, and on the other part it's the snare, so it doesn't get too repetitive. And then that's like the hook part. What I would do then is like in the verse have a part where there's an extra snare or a kick or whatever. I feel like right now you need like a different, like a harder snare. For example, this. That's basically everything. Then it's just like splitting it into all of the patterns and then making some patterns unique to create like a little variation or some shit. And then change up the 808 pattern for the verse, for example. So this is the first pattern of the verse. So now when we come from the hook into the verse, it feels different. So make another little adaptation here on the last one. Maybe the second hook needs like a little second part like this, and then a little breakdown. That's it for this beat, bro. That's basically how I would send it out to artists. So alright, so next producer is called Nardy. His Instagram might be nico.nardy. I think it's from Italy. I think that's him. He follows me, so that should be him. Shout out to my Italian guys. And this loop sounds fucking dangerous. This just needs like a good spins and a good hi-hat. It's gonna be fire. Just needs like a really dirty hi-hat with good rolls. It's so funny, sometimes you build the whole beat and the only thing that's left is the clap, and it's like, as soon as you add the clap, it's like, but it's just a clap, you know? Hey, that was fun. Which camera do I talk to?
Can choose.
Let me split my eyes. Hey, no, that was a lot of fun. Be sure to join my Discord. I'm cooking up with Discord loops every single day. I've been trying to, you know, be more active on the Discord, so I'm having so much fun cooking up with your loops. So be sure to join it. Link in the description down below. Thank you guys. Shout out to the producers. Go and follow them if you want to, you know, work together, whatever. I love to see you guys collab. I love you guys. Take care.